Hey, what's up guys? So I've got Google Pixel 10 Pro here and I am extremely excited to have this phone with me so I can unbox it. Now, if you've noticed, I went with the Moonstone color, really hoping that this is not a shade of purple. You can see here that I went with the 256 GB version of this phone. So we'll see how it goes. It's been a while I've gotten a non-Samsung phone. Actually, it's been good 5-6 years. I haven't used a non-Samsung phone. So I'm really excited to have Google Pixel 10 Pro. Now I went with Pro because it has some features that I want to use and I'm looking forward to, especially some of the camera features. So there's that. Let's unbox this phone and take a look. So we'll pull this tab. It has a very different unboxing experience. Not seen anything like this on any other phone, especially not on Samsung phones. So we'll slide this out. And then this is like the outer cover. And this is the phone box. And there we go. It's all wrapped up really nicely. Okay, it has some heft to it. Put this aside, and then we just have the cable, and that's pretty much it. Very boring experience. And yes, we have something else here. We have some paperwork and SIM card ejection tool. Very minimalist unboxing. Anyways, put that aside for now. Let's take a look at the phone. All right, that camera bump is amazing. Look at how thick this is. All right. Okay, here we go. That's the phone. I went with the 6.3-inch version. That's the color. Now, color, I don't know how to explain this. It's blue and gray mixed together. And then they call it Moonstone. It's definitely not purple. Really thankful for that. So there it is. Let's power it on. It's the Material 3 Expressive I'm looking forward to in Android 16. Alright, so here is something really interesting on this phone. Get peace of mind, your Pixel comes with safety features to help you be prepared and stay connected. So we have Pixel Satellite SOS feature on this phone. Coming to select countries, you will be notified when this service is available to you. You can message with emergency services if a satellite connection is available and there is no mobile or Wi-Fi network. So that's pretty cool. And then we have some crisis alert options and more in the personal safety app that we'll go through later. And then there are some apps that are available. There's this new app called Journal that I'm looking forward to. All right, let's go. Now, I've not added any Google account for now, or I've not set up my SIM card for now on this phone because I just want to go through the setup as quickly as possible. All right, so we have a nice clean wallpaper, some widgets already. We have a date widget at the top and then some apps. Scroll up, we have some more apps. We have our quick settings and notifications. Really looking forward to exploring all the features on Pixel phones. I know that Pixel phones don't have as many features as Samsung phones have, so I definitely know that I'll be missing some of these features, and I'll talk all about it. I'll cover this phone in detail. So if you want to know almost everything about a Pixel 10 phone or a Google Pixel platform, you need to subscribe and press that bell icon so you get the notifications. I'll be going in a lot of details in upcoming videos about this phone. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.